Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video we're going to unbox the iPad Air 5 in purple color. So let's begin the unboxing video. Here is the box of the iPad Air 5 and I bought in the purple color because I found it unique and interesting. On the front of the box you're going to have the picture of the iPad. On the side of the box you're going to have the iPad Air branding, and on the back of the box you're going to have the specification for this model. So again, it is an iPad Air 5th generation. This is the 64GB variant and the color is purple. In the box you're going to include a USB-C charger, its cable and your iPad. Let's just open the box and see it. We're not going to need any knife because of the pull tabs. Here we have the iPad Air 5 in the purple color, and you can see it is made fully of aluminium, iPad Air logo and the connectors for your keyboard. We have a camera on the back, but it does not have any flash unfortunately. On the side of the iPad Air you're going to have your volume up and down buttons, and on the other side there's nothing, and on the top you're going to have your stereo speakers right here along with a microphone. On the bottom again stereo speakers with a USB-C connection, as you can see right here. So you're not going to have any 3.5mm jack. For that you need to buy an external adapter, on which I have already made a video. If you're interested, a box will appear right here. So that's all on the iPad. It's pretty thin, I would say, and it's boxy, which is really cool. So I'm going to power on the iPad, and you have the front facing camera on the top as compared to the side on the new iPad 10th generation. Other than that, here on the box we're going to have this designed by Apple in California, and inside we're going to have some documentations of the iPad Air and two Apple stickers which are in white color and not in purple. Other than that, you're going to get a USB Type-C to Type-C cable to charge your iPad, and last but not least you're going to have your adapter, which is quite cool because in iPhones you no longer get it. And if the camera can actually focus on it, it is a 20-watt charger. Let's power on the iPad for the very first time. Okay, so let me just set it up. Here you can see that the iPad has been set it up successfully, and I would say that it is looking really cool. So if I go and open the camera, just press on don't allow for now. Here you can get a little idea of the camera quality of this iPad, which is not bad. The main thing why I bought the iPad Air 5 is because of the M1 chip that is inside it, but this was just a simply unboxing video. If you are interested in the performance of this iPad where I'm going to run different games, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Other than that guys, this was the unboxing video of the iPad Air 5 in purple color. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.